Imagine waking up tomorrow, looking to the night sky, and finding a colossal void where Jupiter once proudly stood. Our solar system's largest planet, a gas giant with a mass over 300 times that of Earth, simply vanished. What would happen to our world, our sun, and indeed the entire cosmic neighborhood? Today, we're diving deep into that chilling hypothetical, using NASA data and scientific simulations to uncover the catastrophic chain of events that would unfold if Jupiter, our giant protector, disappeared overnight. The immediate aftermath would be felt not just by Earth, but across the entire solar system. Jupiter is so massive, it actually makes the sun wobble. Its immense gravitational pull acts like a counterweight, helping to stabilize the orbits of all the other planets. Without it, the sun would suddenly lose that major influence. This wouldn't cause an immediate violent shift, but rather a slow, insidious dance of chaos beginning to unwind. But the most terrifying and immediate consequence for Earth would be the dramatic increase in asteroid impacts. For billions of years, Jupiter has acted as a colossal cosmic shield, a gravitational vacuum cleaner, sweeping up or deflecting countless comets and asteroids that would otherwise pose a direct threat to the inner planets. Scientific estimates suggest Jupiter saves Earth from approximately 8,000 times more asteroid impacts than it currently experiences. Shockingly, Jupiter deflects over 1.9 million asteroids from hitting Earth every single year. Without Jupiter's protective embrace, Earth would quickly transform from a habitable paradise into a cosmic shooting gallery. Within just a few months, debris from the asteroid belt and beyond would begin to rain down on our planet with unprecedented frequency and destructive power. But impacts aren't the only threat. Jupiter's gravity also plays a crucial role in maintaining the stability of Earth's orbit. Without it, our planet's path around the sun would become increasingly eccentric and unstable, effectively entering a death spiral. Earth would be tossed around like a pinball. We'd experience extreme fluctuations in our distance from the sun, leading to wild temperature swings from searing highs of 150 degrees Fahrenheit during our closest approach, to chilling lows of -100 degrees Fahrenheit when hurled far away. Agriculture, and indeed all complex life, would become impossible. As Earth's orbit destabilizes, so too would the delicate balance that keeps our moon in its place. Over time, potentially within a few hundred years, but possibly much sooner depending on the specific gravitational perturbations, our moon could abandon Earth, flung out into the void by the combined chaos of the sun's shifting pull and Earth's erratic path. Meanwhile, the constant barrage of asteroid impacts would launch vast quantities of dust and debris into our atmosphere, blocking out the sun. This would trigger a terrifying impact winter, plunging the planet into prolonged darkness and freezing temperatures, effectively ending civilization as we know it, even for any life that might have survived the initial impacts and temperature extremes. And the chaos wouldn't stop with Earth. Over vast stretches of time, the entire solar system would unravel. Without Jupiter's gravitational anchoring, the orbits of all the remaining planets would become increasingly unstable and unpredictable. Scientific models indicate that within approximately 1 million years, there's a significant possibility that even Mars could collide with Earth, or that one or more planets could be ejected from the solar system entirely, leading to a complete collapse of the structure we know. It's a stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs our cosmic home. So, while Jupiter may seem like a distant, swirling gas ball, its presence is absolutely fundamental to the stability and habitability of Earth. It is our unsung hero, our colossal protector. Its disappearance wouldn't just be a gap in the night sky. It would trigger an irreversible cascade of events, transforming our vibrant blue planet into a frozen, barren wasteland, pockmarked by impacts and lost to the cosmic void, all within a surprisingly short time frame. We owe our very existence to the silent, gravitational guardian we call Jupiter.